Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of lines you've designed in Canva. If you're not sure how to change the color of lines, then this video is perfect for you. For example, we will add a line. I'll go to Elements and type Line. There are lots of options available, some of which are paid, and maybe I'll go with this one. You can adjust it like this, and for instance, if this is the line I want to change, just click on the line and then go to the Color menu. You can select the line here, and if you want to make it bigger, go to Strokes. This way, you can make it thicker. If you want to change the color, just click on it, and you'll see the option for Stroke Color. You can change the color like this, and move or resize the line as you want. If you want Yes, this is how you can easily change the color of your line that you have added to your designs. That was a quick tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.